Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajila Okonrat Sangma, Henne Kasi Ulapin Bana Baka Sorkar Kala Mynjur Ban Pynkylla Yaka Shna Ïing Ban Pynneh Yaka Jinglong Jyrngam. Habagran Chikila Apathai Kubor Menteri Rangba Ulaong Baka Sorkar Kala Mynjur Bakinu Kibatmu Ban Shna Ïing Katkum Kajingdon Kajaka Kabaka Sorkar Kala Bo Kidi Ban Yo Yaka Jing Mynjur Ne Ki Certified Building Kiba Kitip Kum Ka Green Building. Ulay Tho Baka Sorkar Kala Pentray Kam Yakani Bat Kasketuriat Kabathamai. But ong ba kajing te ha ki jaka ki bapalat ya ka 10,000 square feet kidi ban yo ya kajing Mynjur but ya ka ne ka Sorkar kala pentre kam na du menta.
Basically, we are allowing some kind of benefits to be given and also making it mandatory for certain larger buildings to be certified as green buildings. So therefore, there is a mandate for that, and we are making it necessary for certain buildings of certain size to be certified as green buildings. So therefore, buildings that come up in the future, which are of a certain size and certain square meters, they will mandatorily have to take the certification for a green building. So that amendment was made today in the bylaws. For all projects covering a cumulative built-up area of 10,000 square meters. That's the criteria, or above. Yes, our new secretariat building that's coming is going to be a green building. So those certifications are there, but now we're making it mandatory for any building that's above 10,000 square meters.